Marcus, we have a new doorbell. Can you push it? Push the ding dong.
Push.
Push harder.
Push harder.
Harder.
See?
Ding dong. Go into the new house.
Yeah.
Do you like the new house? You just want to press the doorbell? Push hard.
Harder.
Ding dong. Okay, let's go in. Come on, let's go in.
Yeah. Push.
Okay, you'll never see the rest of the new house. You'll just stay at the door. Alright, Mommy's going in. Bye-bye. Mommy's going in. Oh, hello. Come in. Welcome to our new house. Come in.
Go in. Come on, let's go in.
Do you like our new house?
New house.
You like the new house?
House.
He just wants to push the doorbell.
You have the beer. Lucky.
Welcome to our new
Where
house.
you go? No.
Marcus, come on.
Go in.
Oh,
We're
gosh.
going.
We're going to eat dinner.
Alright.